How much does a piece of tomato sell at your area? I need to know because, guys, it is choking and chokettes. It is choking here, guys. I mean, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good wherever you're watching me from. So I made this delicious banga stew and I decided to share with you guys because why not? This is the era of tomato scarcity where 3 pieces of tomato sold for 6,000 plus, almost 7,000 naira, guys. I mean, what the heck was that? So it's not like this is a news to you, but it's a very good one. And I think this is the time that you should be making more of this because why not? A painter of palm fruits sells for 2,005, while half painter, which was what I bought for this, sold for 1,005. And I made this pot of stew with this. I made Banga native jollof rice from the same 1005 palm fruit. I would be sharing that recipe here later. I also made some soup from the same. You can see that it is thick because I brought it out from the freezer. So why not? You may just need to buy this, process it, and then store it up in your freezer. Yes, the full video of the processing or the extracting of the juice is up on the channel. It was the clip that I fast forwarded for you to just get a glimpse. But if you want to see the full detail, please kindly go to the channel, search it up, and then learn how you can do this if you haven't. Yeah, let's get other ingredients ready. I have onion, crayfish, and ube, or you can call it locust bean. Please be sure to use enough crayfish if you have and enough onion. They are very, very key to this banga stew, okay? Now look how darkish this is looking. You see that ube here? It's a color killer, yes, but it is very necessary in this stew, or you can use ogirisi. It gives a very distinctive aroma to your banga stew, okay? So just get everything transferred in there. And look how nicely this stew is already looking. So I poured in my protein. That protein comprised of iced fish, dry fish, and just very few pieces of beef. You know how market things are right now, okay? So yeah, and I added Ghana pepper. This Ghana pepper is another color spoiler. If you really want a popping color of your food, you may need to avoid Ghana pepper. Yeah, but sometimes it's necessary because mussels wey fresh pepper dey flex for us now too much, so why not? And so I added some curry just to douse the color of that Ghana pepper, and I added powdered ginger and yeah, I added some seasoning cubes and salt, and so I got everything all stirred up and then allowed it to keep cooking. I didn't cover it because I needed the evaporation so that I can get a thicker stew. Now, after some minutes, I got it covered before I came back to, you know, add scent leaf and pumpkin leaf. At this point, guys, this stew is ready. You could see how the oil is already floating on the top. Yeah, don't mind the way it looks as if it's watery. It's done. Not watery, it's actually thick. By the time you put it in your freezer and then bring it out the next day to warm, you will see that it's very thick. Like it would be very thick that you would be tempted to add some water. Yeah. I hope you found this video very helpful in this trying time and that you're going to be trying this. Please kindly like, comment, and share. See you in my next post. Stay safe and bye bye.